and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's Pack With Me video. This is Casey. And thank you for watching today's Pack With Me video for our quick trip to Walt Disney World just for a weekend. So we are going for 2 full days. We are leaving a Friday night and then coming home Monday morning. We've never been to Walt Disney World in the fall. We've never been to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, so we are going to be doing both of those things. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you can be a part of my little community over here. I share all things Disney and then some random life stuff sprinkled in between. So I would love for you to join my community over here on YouTube, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up because that lets me know that you like these types of videos. So today is probably going to be my shortest Pack With Me video probably. I already have all of my clothes laid out. I am very particular in what I'm bringing this trip. I have my costume ready to go for the Halloween party, and I just have a couple other items that I need to throw in to my away carry-on. This will be my second trip that I'm using my bigger carry-on, that's what it's called, from Away Travel. Absolutely love it. Not sponsored, and I am totally happy that I purchased that for myself. And I definitely want the next size up now because I love the suitcase and it is just super cute because it's purple. So yeah, enough about my suitcase. Let's dive in, and I'm going to show you all of the items that I'm going to bring on this trip, and then we will get to packing. So here are just my clothing items that I'm going to pack. I know, I'm shocked too. So I have my rain jacket, my poncho, and my umbrella. I have 2 different shirts, technically 3. This is the new Halloween shirt for Disney World this year. I got it in, I think, a double or triple X, so I can wear it more as like a dress with some biker shorts. So I have those 3 outfits. I have some PJs. Everything in here are my undergarments. I have a hat that I'm going to be taking. So for my shorts, I have these jean shorts from Aerie. I will link them down below. I have them in almost every single color. They are the best shorts ever. I can't wear regular jean shorts anymore because they're just too good. And then I have 3 different pairs of bike shorts that I can wear because I just love wearing them in the parks. They're so comfy, so easy. And then I also have a sweatshirt to wear as well. So this is all I'm taking. This is all I need. I'm not going to add anything else. And I know, I'm proud of myself too. So for my park bag for this trip, I'm actually going to take this Her Universe really cute mummy backpack. I am probably still going to bring my larger Stoney Clover backpack and carry that on just because it's easier to have my laptop in there and other items that I need on the plane. It's definitely not going to be very full, and then I'll probably put my park bag items in here and then just stick this in my carry-on. I'm pretty sure I'll have enough room because I'm not bringing a lot of items, as you could tell, which again, I'm so proud of myself. And so we should be good there, but I definitely want to bring that to use in the parks because Halloween season, spooky season in Disney World, and I'm fully buying in to the Halloween season this year at Disney World when we go. So yes, need to bring that backpack, but I just need something a little bigger to actually carry on. So I think I'm going to still bring that one at this moment, but we shall see. Okay, let's get everything packed up and see how it works. See how this goes.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
All of my clothes, everything on this side. I just have to get my one pair of sandals that I'm going to take. I'll put my toiletries in there. I have that packed with like different park stuff. Probably could shove some more stuff in there if needed. And then in my backpack, I'll just slide my computer back there. I have my snacks, my fanny pack, lady items, because it always happens when you go on a trip. And then I have some other random items, some gum. What else is in here? My phone charger. I almost forgot my ears. Oh my goodness. So I don't even know if I'll wear these. It depends on if I wear my new Halloween shirt or not, that I'll wear my Halloween ears, because the shirt I have for Epcot on Saturday, it's a Halloween shirt. I just don't have any Halloween ears that match that. So we'll just have to wait and see. But let's go pack our toiletries now. So most of my stuff is already ready to go since we just traveled to California and I needed a carry-on. So I just kept everything in my bag, and I normally just do that. But I have a couple of items that I'll need in the morning. So I'm just gonna leave everything on my counter, and then I'll throw it all in my suitcase tomorrow afternoon before we leave. But again, I think this is gonna be the quickest packing video ever. We're just becoming pros. Pro packers.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
Alright, so this is a large pouch from Stoney Clover. It's actually my first ever Stoney Clover purchase. But I just have some randomness thrown in here. And then I have a small pouch that has like smaller items like hair stuff, deodorant, different things like that in there. And then this is all of my face stuff. So I will need like this tonight still and tomorrow morning. This and this. Not this one. This one's obviously too big. But I will leave just all of this out here. And I could actually take this and put it in our suitcase now. But then we'll be good to go. All my makeup and everything is in here too. And I should throw these items in here as well. Okay, pouches in there, backpack. I'll put my shoes and then my skincare. There we go. That's gonna be it for tonight. Next video you will see is tomorrow morning, afternoon probably, depending on how I feel in the morning. I am working a full day tomorrow, so I should have some time in the afternoon to get all my stuff together. Oh, here we go. I am working a full day at work tomorrow, so I will have, I should at least have time in the afternoon to throw everything together before we need to leave. But I'm just gonna go get my my computer stuff ready. The case is all packed. I have my blanket pillow thing that I always take with me, and then I have my backpack. I'm not sure why. I feel like I'm not bringing very much, but this is like stuffed full. So in the front here, I also forgot to put my makeup wipes away, so I need to stick them in here somewhere or stick them in Jackson's suitcase. But in front, so I have my Tylenol, my eye mask. I put some liquid IV in here as well. My AirPods are in here. My lip stuff, phone charger, anything that I'll probably need like on the actual flight. And then in this section up here, I have, oh, there we go. I have my wallet, my fanny pack that I'm bringing, just some like extra random stuff that I'll probably use in the park. I can also use on the plane. I think I have my gum in here too. My ears, and then I have some lady things in there, all of our snacks. And then I have my laptop back here. So the only thing I don't like about the classic backpack on Stoney Clover is that they don't have like a laptop sleeve. And I don't like using this laptop sleeve. Well, I do like using it. It's fine. I've had it probably since high school. But I always keep my laptop out of it because it's too hard to like take it all out during security. So I just like pop it back in there for right now. But that is everything in my backpack. Oh, and my water bottle that I'll fill up at the airport and throw a liquid IV in. I don't know why that's dirty all of a sudden. But yep, so that is my backpack, carry-on, and we are good to go. Alright, you guys, that was such a quick pack with me for our weekend trip to Walt Disney World. I am so excited to see Magic Kingdom in the fall, experience Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party for the first time ever, like so incredibly pumped for it. And I'm really excited for Food and Wine. We haven't been this year yet, and so it is our favorite festival at Epcot. I guess I could say that. I feel like Festival of the Holidays is probably my favorite, and then Food and Wine, but just because I like Christmas like to my core. I would like, if they cut me open, I probably would bleed green and red, and Christmas music would come out of me because I love Christmas that much. But I also love summer. Love summer. I want summer forever. anyways, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, and then you get random tidbits about my life like that. But please give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comments down below if you like Christmas. If you like Christmas, leave a little Santa emoji to let me know you made it to the end. But thank you again for watching today's video. I hope you guys have a magical rest of your day, and I will see you real soon. Bye. Jack.
What?
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Going to Disney World?
Corn.
Stop it.
Big ball of juice.
Stop it. We made it through security. It was a total of 10 seconds. There was no one in front of us. Nobody, like literally no one was there. So we're ready to go. Just waiting for our plane. Now we have like an hour to wait, right?
That's right.
Disney World.
Yay, I'm so excited.